Jean Personi with Beauty and the Stamper. I just threw my stuff. I am actually unboxing a new ring light. So I was super excited to get this. This is by INSOME, I-N-S-O-M. But I'm just wanting to show you. It's got a nice little camera holder, and we're going to be using the, well, I'll show you. I don't know what it would be called, but it holds the little ball there. So it's really cool because this fits over there, and then you tighten it. You have to take this off. I'll just show you. We're kind of chit-chatting, right? So you take that off like that, and then you put this guy on. Then you put that on, and you're going to need some muscle. And now it's on. And then you just tighten it up, and now you have it. And you can move this any way you want. I really like how strong. Look how much pressure I have to put on to move it. So I really like how strong it is, which means my phone's not going to really fall too much. And then let me show you, before I put the top part on, I want to show you that this has a USB. So you can plug it into like a phone charger to get the light to work. But if you have also one of those chargers that just, you know, a charger to go, right? You can plug it in, and you guys, you can take this anywhere. So I thought that was really cool. Let me see here. So if you want to turn it on, you got to turn the power on first. There we go. So you can see that. And then it's going to have different light levels as well. Isn't that cool? So, and then you can turn it down a little bit if you don't want it so bright, or you can turn it up. So look how much light it gives off. So I thought that was really cool. And that's all just like, you can take it on the go. So wherever you go, which means guess what? I'm going to be able to go back to filming, not just here in my craft room. So we'll be doing more DIYs coming up. And then let me show you it came in this box. So INSOME. And it does come with a with a remote for your camera. You could just set it up to Bluetooth. And it has a bag. It doesn't have a bag for the actual ring light, but you know, with me, when I get lights, I set it up, and ooh, I just saw something. So here is, what did I drop? Hold on. I don't know what I dropped. It's a little rubber piece. We'll see what it is. Oh, it goes right here. There we go. So it came off the bottom there. And then you've got these legs that are telescoping. And look at this. Look how long that is. They sit so high. And they hold really well. They travel really well. I love these for when I travel, because that way I can go like to my parents' house and be able to do my filming like that. And I have to tell you, I just got one for my son. So he wants to do some recording. And then this also comes up, but look at, it's got a, do you see that? A little level in there. So, and then this tightens, so it'll go up and down. But then if you just want it to stay straight, you just leave it in your position. So I did not tighten this one up. There we go. And I'm going to show you how high it is. Well, you can't see, but it's all the way from the ground. Ooh, I didn't lock that in place either. There we go. You gotta lock things in place. And then this can also move up and down or side to side. It's just, it has all of these great features. So I thought that was cool. And then you take that piece, this guy, and he's gonna go right in here. And then you've got your light, or you can actually put, if you don't want a light on there, then you could put your camera straight on there. Okay, sorry about that. I got a phone call from one of you beauties. But I asked if I could call back so I could finish this up, because I definitely wanted to show you. So now we've got our phone can go in there, our ring light, and it'll just stand up. And we're good to go. So there we go. I hope you like that. If you, I know you guys like my unboxing, so I thought that would be fun. And I'll be doing some DIYs, and I'll be moving back out to the kitchen table so you can see me working with my hands and talk to you directly. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see some DIYs made now that I have a new tripod to go out there with a lighting, then give me a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below what you are currently using if you make your videos. Alright, have a great day, beauties, and I will talk to you later. I'll put a link down below so that you can purchase one if you'd like. Alright, bye!